you ready?
Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I have another gameplay for you. This is some special type of capture the flag. Right now we are 2 players from the one team moving around trying to scout out some flags, and we'll just see what happens. So go ahead and enjoy the video.
Modtaget. Ja. Jeg begynder bare med et sprint nu her. Okay, der er ingen kommet ud i haven der. Jeg kan godt se en der. Han er slet ikke ved træet, ikke? Du ramt.
We are both carrying flags at this point, so we don't want to get hit, so we're trying to move back in the woods.
Okay, super.
Go.
Ja, kom nu. Whoa, man.
Normally I don't call out people, but that was just so obvious to me. Tell me what you think about that. While I was medicing my teammate, the enemy team has pushed up, and now we are cornered and we are trying to fight back.
Okay, jeg bliver beskudt flere steder fra, jeg rykker bagud. Jeg tror, vi bliver nødt til at rykke herfra. Vi er presset helt tilbage i spawner lige nu. Jeg er bare rykket med højre af. Der er nogen, der går ind i skoven. Eller ind i haven. Sæt dig ned. Der kommer du dernede. Skal lade. Shit.
Backup has arrived, and we are trying to push back the enemy forces.
Det er boss klokken 12. Jeg kan godt se ham. Han bevæger sig. Der kommer en til. Længere ned i haven. Ja. Jeg kommer op og støtter.
A girl from our team has called for backup because she's low on ammo, so I have to get out there and support her.
Jeg er bagud her. Hvor langt op er de? Er det ved laden?
At this point, she's totally out of ammo, so I need to take over for this place here, and I'm trying to ask her where the enemies are placed.
Jeg fik ham der lidt venstre om der.
After this, it didn't happen much more than the spring for my trigger broke. Luckily, it's all up and running again, my HK, so thank God for that. But that was actually all that I had for you today. I really hope that you enjoyed this, and if you did, do remember to hit that thumbs up button. Also comment if you have any questions about the video or anything else, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See ya, guys.